Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable bone broth. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and roast about 2 to 3 pounds of bones for 30 minutes until golden brown. While the bones roast, chop your vegetables, including 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. These will add essential flavor and nutrients to your broth. Next, transfer the roasted bones and chopped vegetables to a large stock pot. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which helps extract minerals from the bones, and a few peppercorns for extra flavor. Cover everything with about 12 cups of cold water. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 12 to 24 hours. After simmering, it's time to strain your broth. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth, discarding all the solids. This leaves you with a clear, rich liquid. It's crucial to cool the broth quickly to ensure food safety. You can divide it into smaller containers or place the pot in an ice bath. Once completely cooled, transfer your vegetable bone broth to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in smaller portions, like 1 cup or 2 cup containers, where it will last for up to 6 months. This versatile broth is perfect for sipping or as a flavorful base for soups, stews, and sauces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.